Hi guys, it's me, and today we're taking another deep look at Samsung's premium 8K lineup, focusing on the 75-inch QN850D. If you're thinking about getting this model, the link is waiting in the description. But let's break down what it's like to live with this TV and what makes it stand out in Samsung's 2024 catalog. Right from the first moment, the brightness hits differently. Samsung's mini LED approach gives the screen incredible control over highlights and shadows, creating that clean separation between dark areas and ultra-bright specular details. Combined with its native 8K resolution, you're looking at a screen that makes even everyday content appear sharper and more polished. The pixel density is so high that small textures and subtle edges stay visibly crisp. The processing engine inside this TV is one of the biggest reasons the picture looks so refined. Samsung's latest AI-powered upscaling analyzes scenes in real time, boosting details without introducing weird artifacts. Even older content gets a noticeable upgrade. And when you're watching something in 4K, it fills out the 8K canvas in a very natural way instead of just sharpening outlines. HDR performance takes things further. Neo Quantum HDR adapts to every scene, pushing peak brightness when needed while protecting the midtones so they don't get crushed. Real Depth Enhancer Pro works behind the scenes to add a sense of dimensional layering that makes objects feel more separated from the background, almost like you're getting a subtle 3D effect without glasses or gimmicks. Motion handling is a strong point too. AI Motion Enhancer smooths out fast-moving scenes without making them look fake. Sports look clean, fast games feel fluid, and anything with quick camera shifts maintains clarity instead of blurring out. It's the type of improvement you don't think about until you see it side by side with an older TV. Audio gets an upgrade as well. With Object Tracking Sound Plus, sound doesn't just come from the front. It follows movements happening around the screen. Paired with Dolby Atmos, you get a surprisingly immersive effect from a TV this thin. Dialogue has clarity, ambient sound fills the room, and action-heavy scenes feel more engaging. Speaking of thin, the design is incredibly sleek. The panel is almost impossibly slim for the amount of technology packed inside, and the nearly invisible bezels give it a very modern, floating glass kind of presence. It blends into a room easily and looks premium whether it's mounted or standing on a table. The user interface runs smoothly with Samsung's updated Tizen system. Everything loads quickly, switching between apps feels instant, and there's plenty of customization. Smart features like adaptive picture settings, ambient mode, multi-view, and fast app launching make day-to-day use more convenient. For gaming, it has the speed and responsiveness you would expect from a top-tier 2024 TV. Low latency, fast motion, and bright mini LED performance make it great for both console and PC gaming. Colors remain accurate, and contrast stays solid even in darker levels. All around, the Samsung QN850D delivers a strong mix of brightness, high resolution, smart processing, and premium sound enhancements. It's built for anyone who wants a theater-level experience at home with cutting-edge clarity. If you're considering it, you can check the link in the description for more details and current pricing.